Casinos can be overwhelming for beginners. With so many games to choose from, it can be challenging to decide where to start. In this video, we'll give you 5 casino tips that will help you improve your chances of winning and make your first casino experience a success. Tip 1. Learn the rules of the game. Before you start playing any casino game, take some time to learn the rules. Each game has its own set of rules and it's essential to understand them. Before you start betting your money, ask the dealer or other players for help if you don't understand something. Most casinos offer free tutorials, so take advantage of them and practice before you start playing with real money. Tip 2. Managing a bankroll. Managing your bankroll is crucial. When gambling, decide how much money you can afford to lose and stick to that amount. Never gamble with money you can't afford to lose. Set a budget for each game and stick to it. Don't try to chase your losses by betting more money. Remember, gambling is a form of entertainment and you should enjoy it responsibly. Tip 3. Choose the right games. Different games have different odds of winning. Slot machines, for example, have lower odds of winning than table games. Before you start playing, do some research and find the games with the best odds. Some of the games with the best odds include blackjack, craps, and video poker. Also consider playing games with a low house edge as they offer better chances of winning. Tip 4. Take advantage of bonuses and rewards. Casinos offer a variety of bonuses and rewards to the players. Take advantage of these offers and use them to your advantage. For example, sign up for a player's card to earn rewards and discounts. Also, look for games that offer bonuses such as free spins or extra chips. These bonuses can increase your chances of winning and help you save money. Tip 5. Stay sober and focused. Gambling can be addictive and it's easy to lose track of time and money when you're having fun. To avoid this, stay sober and focused. Don't drink too much alcohol as it can impair your judgment and lead to very poor decisions. Also, take breaks and step away from the table. When you start feeling tired or stressed, stay focused and alert. This will help you make better decisions and improve your chances of winning. By following these 5 casino tips, you'll be well on your way to improving your chances of winning and making the most of your casino experience. Remember to have fun and gamble responsibly. Good luck.